DairyGrip, repairing a bubble or damaged area. To remove a bubbled section, use chalk to mark out a square around the bubbled area that needs replacement. Following that, utilize an angle grinder to cut out the marked square area surrounding the bubble. Place a DairyGrip patch of the same size neatly onto the designated area. Drill holes inside and outside the patch to prepare for installing the concrete anchors. Lastly, place the concrete anchors into the drilled holes to firmly secure the DairyGrip patch in place. DairyGrip durable rubber flooring. Versatile, low cost and long lasting. Visit rubbergem.com to learn more.